finding secret bars in Seoul so you don't have to. To get in, you need to open the fridge door and wander through. Inside, you're greeted by friendly staff and a nice looking bar. Upstairs, you have a seating area where you can chill out and enjoy your drinks. So we've just been told how we order. Apparently we are Kiwi tea. And so there's a phone just over there that we can call from, and that's how we order our drinks. So let's see how this goes. This is Kiwi tea. Yeah, am I able to order ananas? Cheers, everyone. So that was an interesting experience. It wasn't as cool as we thought it would be, and it was a little bit expensive, so we are bouncing on to the next one.